Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Satang bantau no ya kasorkar thamai la shai kasngi kan riu trek uluber. Snem arhaja kat pra, kasorkar ya senrop lang. Ya kabanyalam da kaseng National People's Party, ringkat ke jingtre lang berkaseng United Democratic Party, ke Hill State People's Democratic Party, ke People Democratic Front, ringkat ke jingkersian lang jong kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party, bat wei UMLA klamseng na Riluam Garo, u Samuel M. Sangma, na po Bakmara Constituency. Henne dang step kalami ke kubor hamsaya, ke balapan arti ni ki babon, ba online em bantau ya kini kasorkar. Kaham saya henne ke step ke day halor kata ke kubor, baka seng UDP, kadan ke jing temu banweng no ilade na ke jing kersaan ya kini sarkar ya senrap lang, ke ba on tem, kom ke Regional Democratic Alliance. Henry, haba ke Pati CCTV kala yed benia, la syam baka ni ke kubor, kalong ke bam shisha. Ya kini la penti kenaru, dau General Secretary, jong ke UDP, uba alantri dekhar, hadian ke jelang jong ke noilam, ke seng NPP, UDP, bat ke BJP.
I have word from my party president and from the party as a whole that there is no truth in this rumor that is spreading all around. As of today, whatever has been declared by the party president in the various briefings that he's had with you, that stands. It is the entire group's feeling that Mr. Conrad Sangma is a more acceptable leader to lead this present dispensation. There's no such thing, no such truth in UDP per se being against that.